Nothing in a topper's emergency kit is for an emergency. 7 objects, and together they cost less than a week of chai. She is carrying all 7 right now, and her bag is lighter than yours. Because you have never actually failed to study. You have stopped 40 seconds to borrow a pen, 5 minutes finding the right page, a Tuesday evening you lost to a room you could not think in. Mine was the room. My house was never quiet, so I waited for everyone to go to bed and started at 11, tired every night for 2 years. I was certain that was a discipline problem. It was a noise problem and a bag problem. So here is her kit, cheapest first, with the price on every one. 5 are priced in minutes, the 6th is priced in marks, and the 7th is not priced in either, which is why it is crowned and why it is last. 1, 2 pens. One of them tested on paper this morning before it went in the bag. The most boring sentence in this video. Here is what it buys. In 2009, a researcher called Sophie Leroy ran 4 experiments on being pulled off a task before you finish it. She named what stays behind attention residue, a piece of your attention stuck on the unfinished job and measurably worse work on whatever you do next. It is the bookmark falling out. You find the book again in 10 seconds. You do not find the line. So a dead pen charges you about 4 minutes of the lesson. Not 4 minutes of writing, 4 minutes of understanding, which you copy off the board anyway and only discover you never had at 10 at night. 2 page flags, a strip on the inside cover of every book. You flag them in class the second the teacher says the chapter name. An unflagged book is a shop with no signs on the aisles. Everything you need is in there. You still walk the whole thing. 5 minutes is roughly what that walk costs. Okay, 5 is me being kind. On a 4-book night, it was more like 8. 5 sessions a week is 25 minutes, and it is the worst 25 minutes on the bill, because you spend it while you are still deciding whether to bother. 3. A watch, the cheapest one in the shop. This is the one everyone laughs at, so give me 20 seconds. Your clock is on your phone, so every time you want to know how long you have left, you hold the exact object you are trying not to hold. Common Sense Media put the median at 51 phone pickups a day for teenagers. A handful of those are just you checking the time. It is going to the fridge for water. You know how that ends. Price, the session, not part of it. There's a girl in your class who barely studies and still beats you. Yeah, it's not fair and it's not talent. While you reread the same page 5 times, she's not doing more. She was shown the switch, invisible studying, the way memory's actually built to hold on. You were handed a highlighter and told, good luck. That's the whole gap. A week later, she's got about 80% of it in her head, and you've got about 18%. The exact switch is at becomevalora.com. Tap the first link under this video or scan the code on the screen. becomevalora.com. 4. 2 foam earplugs, cheaper than a snack. And this is the item where the science is genuinely not what you would guess. Loud noise slows your reading down. Everyone knows that part. But researchers split the effect in 2 on purpose, and the second half is the expensive half. Noise you can understand damages how much of the page you took in. Volume costs you speed, meaning costs you comprehension. It is somebody standing behind you reading a different book out loud. They are not even loud. You just cannot hold your sentence and theirs at the same time, which is why instrumental lo-fi is fine and the 7 o'clock news is not, and why the quiet cousin on a phone call costs you more than a busy road. Price, you read the page twice. On a 9-minute page, that is 9 minutes charged to a room you never agreed to. 5. 1 printed practice sheet, folded front pocket and lives there. Someone in my comments wrote this out and I have not stopped thinking about it. Her phone died. She was stuck near a mall a long way from home, with nothing to do and no way to pay for anything. She had practice sheets printed in her bag, so she sat there and did them. Her words: she had never felt more productive in her entire life. She was not more disciplined that afternoon than any other afternoon. The paper was in the bag. Every school week hands you 2 or 3 of those. A free period, a teacher who does not turn up, 40 minutes on a bus. It is a delivery arriving while nobody is home. A timetable will never catch one. Only a bag does. Price: -1 hour, the only line on this bill that pays you. 6. And the unit changes here, which is the whole reason for the order. 1 folded A5 page, 2 lines for every mark you lost. What the question was and why you lost it. I got the same question wrong 3 times, 3 different tests, 1 term. You cannot see that about yourself until it is sitting there in your own handwriting. By the end of the month, the page had maybe 14 lines on it. Those 14 lines were the whole distance between what I knew and what I could prove on paper. Everyone in your class re-watches the entire load. You scrub the 1 stain, same evening, completely different evening. Price is not minutes anymore, it is marks, and it is the same marks every term until somebody writes them down. The receipts quickly before the crown. 1. 4 minutes to a dead pen. 25 minutes to a week to unflagged pages, a session to the phone clock, a page read twice, that is over an hour a week, gone before you studied anything. 2. The sheet pays an hour back, 6 things in one hand, about 2 hours a week. 3. The page moves no hours at all. It moves the same 4 or 5 marks you have been losing since March. Exam 9 days out, carry the sheet and the page, skip the rest. 7. The card. 1 piece of card. On it, 1 question you already know you cannot answer. Written the night before, sitting on top of everything else in the bag. So tomorrow, you do not sit down and decide what to study. You open the bag and read a note from a girl who is not tired yet. The other 6 protect the hour. This one is why the hour happens. Screenshot that one. Because none of the other 6 help a girl who never opens the bag, and what stops her is not laziness. It is a 20-minute argument with herself about where to start, and she loses it 4 nights out of 5. It costs the whole hour, and it never shows up on any bill, because the hour never happened. The card ends the argument before it lasts. If your setup is rough, shared room, no desk, a house that never goes quiet, this list is more yours than anybody's. Nobody in that house can take a piece of card off you. Count how many of the 7 are in your bag right now. Comment that number, nothing else. I answered those differently because going from 1 to 4 is a completely different week than going from 5 to 7. So tonight, before you sleep, 1 question you cannot answer, on top. Then tomorrow, in whatever gap the day hands you, you will not be the girl deciding. You will be the girl already 3 minutes in. And in October, when everyone around you is still negotiating about where to start, you will not be able to explain why you are calm. You will just be the one with the card. The 7 things are the bag, the switch, the way memory actually holds on. Is the book at becomevalora.com. Links below. 7 things and a card. Nothing in there is for an emergency.